Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Baby BFT token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Baby BFT is a revolutionary cryptocurrency project that combines artificial intelligence with blockchain technology to create immersive gaming experiences, generating NFT tools and social media interaction in the metaverse. The ecosystem rewards users for participation, creativity, and engagement through play to earn mechanics, staking rewards, and AI driven social features. Baby BFT project institution rating is 3.4. Baby BFT token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 3 billion. BBFT token. BBFT token is listed on PancakeSwap, B2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.